Well, US President Donald Trump has declared the opioid epidemic as a natural public health emergency. Now, Trump has said, and I quote, "We can be the generation that ends the opioid epidemic." Now, he's also added that the epidemic is a national health emergency and that nobody has seen anything like what is going on now. Now, Trump also said that it is time to liberate the communities from the scourge of drug addiction. The opioid epidemic is the deadliest drug crisis in American history, which has claimed as many as 90 American lives every single day. Now, the president has directed Acting Health Secretary to declare a public health emergency under the Public Health Services Act, which directs the federal agencies to provide more grant money to combat the epidemic. Now, President Trump also has reaffirmed determination to build a wall along the southern border, saying that this will greatly help to stop the flow of drugs into the United States. Now, the First Lady, Melania Trump, has also joined in and has said that more than 2 million Americans nationwide are affected by the opioid crisis and more than 175 have lost their lives to overdose every single day. Now, Trump's order will last 90 days and can be renewed every 3 months until the president believes that it no longer is needed.
Think of it. Motor vehicle crashes, gun homicides, more people by far from drug overdoses. These overdoses are driven by a massive increase in addiction to prescription painkillers, heroin, and other opioids. Last year, almost 1 million Americans used heroin, and more than 11 million abused prescription opioids. The United States is by far the largest consumer of these drugs, using more opioid pills per person than any other country by far in the world.